Hey guys, what's up and what's new? Welcome back to my channel and to another new video. I know this time it has been too long of a gap because in 2025 there has been only 2 uploads on my channel. That's not good. That's obviously not good. I am working on a fresh batch of content which will soon come on my YouTube channel. I hope you guys will like it. To all the new viewers and subscribers who have joined my channel recently and have seen my videos, this is for you all. Let me introduce myself again. I am Soham Sen and I make travel and lifestyle content videos with some tech videos in between. You have joined my journey, so thank you and I welcome you all. I have already seen the amount of love that you guys have given on my tech videos, especially on the B-rolls, my product reviews. Like the last one I did was of the Boat earbuds and it went very good. Like it is around 20,000 views right now. I'm trying to make more videos like that and bring it to you guys so that you guys can get informative yet good looking videos. So in this video we will be talking about 5 creative shots that you can take with any action camera that you have. The smaller the better. In my case I'm going to use my GoPro, which is GoPro 10 Black, and I'm going to use this action camera to create 5 amazing creative shots which will give your video another dimension, another depth, so that your video stands out from the rest. So let's start this video. So the first type of creative shot that we are going to discuss today is the complex POV shot. What I mean by complex POV shot is that placing your camera, like placing your action camera in places where your normal camera, like the mirrorless camera, DSLR, won't fit, and you might get an amazing, simple and beautiful POV shots like these. Maybe here, maybe here, or maybe here. Oh my god. Or maybe you want to heat something up. The second type of creative shot that we are going to talk about is using the action camera at its fullest. These action cameras are always said to be waterproof. So you can jump with your action camera any sort of water activities. These action cameras give you an amazing shot, or you can say a creative shot, which can give an amazing perspective to your videos. And you can use the action cameras to get shot like these. I have been to a lot of trips with my action camera and I have used it while diving in the pool in Thailand. Believe me, you will want to use it here. Now for the third type of creative shot that you can take with an action camera, you can use this camera in high places to get top-down shots or top-angle shots. If you want to take top-angle shots with your normal camera, you have to have a good mounting setup with standing rods, then T-rods, and then clamps and everything, because it gets a lot of work. But using these small action cameras, you can get those top-down shots really easily, like this. Now coming to the fourth creative shot. This might be a little tricky. We all are Jugaru Indian. We can obviously do it, even if you don't have any clamps or anything. But this is how you can mount your action camera to get an orbital shot. Do you remember the kind of video that was taken in the music video Girls Like You? And it was an orbital shot. Only that it was a platform and the camera was rotating 360 degree focusing on the main characters that were standing in the middle. And we are going to do something same as sort of that and take an amazing orbital shot. I'll show you the breakdown now. The fifth and the last type of creative shot that you can take is using the action camera with creative mounts. Like, you can also develop some mounts by mixing and matching other mounts, or else buy a set of mounts and they can give you amazing perspective shots. Like right now I'm wearing the chest mount which I got from my Robustrion mount box, and this is amazing when I go for a hike or a trek, or if I want to take some like first person perspective shots, and they give out amazing results, believe me. And like this, I have some other mounts too, which I'll be showing you to the videos right now. So these three were the main mounting solutions that I showed you right now, but there are more mounts present within the box. I'll be giving the Robustrion mount box link in the description down below, and you can check that out and buy it for yourself if you think that will help you out. The mounting solutions are absolutely incredible. So guys, yes, this was it from this video. I hope you guys got the information of how to incorporate these 5 type of creative shots using just an action camera to enhance your storytelling technique. If you liked this video and thought it was helpful, give a hit on the like button, and if you have something to say, please comment down in the comment section below and let me know if any other creative shot that you can think of using a action camera comes up to your mind. Share it with your friends who can use these type of creative shots in their videos and level up their storytelling techniques with their visuals. Last but not the least, do hit that subscribe button so that I can keep on bringing much good content for you guys. I will see you guys again in a very interesting video soon. For now, bye bye.